Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting, and I wanted to come on today to go over something really quick. I did post this on my community tab, and there's a poll in my community tab if you want to go on and vote in the poll to let me know what you want me to do. But I had an idea, and I wanted to do a challenge in September that I thought would be um, so easy for even the most novice of journal makers to make a journal. Okay, so I called it September Build a Journal. This PDF is available in my Ko-fi shop for free. So go down on the link below, click on my Ko-fi shop, and then go download this PDF. It's free, and then you can play along with us. So I just wanted to, sorry, just to rub my face. I just wanted to go over um, what we'll be doing for the month of September. It's 30 days, okay? And we're going to build a journal one day at a time. And I made this so easy. Like, you will see on certain days it'll be like, just add this to your journal, because I don't want to overwhelm anybody. Journal making can be daunting for somebody who's never done it. It could even be daunting for people who've done it a million times. Sometimes it's daunting for me. So I thought, well, I'll make it super easy. So I'm just going to go over what each day is going to be and kind of explain it so you can prepare yourself ahead of time if you'd like to join me. So day one, you're going to choose your cover. Okay, by this I mean, also, before I get into it, there will be a video every day. Every day I will have a video so you can craft along with me, okay? So for every one of these, there will be a video. This is just a quick overview. So choose your cover. By that I mean, make a decision on what you want your cover to be. Do you want it to be a hard cover? Do you want it to be a soft cover? Do you want it to be just scrapbook paper? Do you want it to be like fabric, sewn fabric? Do you want to use an Amazon package? Do you just want to use a box? Do you want to use an old hardcover book? So choose your cover. Decide what your cover is going to be. Day two, we're going to be making our cover. This is just the base of the cover. We're going to be making, sorry if you hear the birds, they're very loud. They're very loud today. I'm so sorry if you hear them in the background. We're just going to be making our cover, not decorating the cover, not adding anything to the cover, just making the base of the cover. So when we put our signature in, when we do our signature, we have somewhere to put it. Okay, so that's it. We're going to spend that time just making our cover. So day one, we decided on it. We pulled our products we're going to use. And day two, we are making our cover. Day three, we're going to choose our papers for our signature. Okay, so we're just going to choose whatever papers that we want to use in our signature. Day four, we're gonna pull the extras. Do you want some doilies, envelopes, paper bags, vellum? You're gonna pull those extra things. Okay, so day five, we're gonna decorate our pages. So you're going to sew them, or you're going to paint, or stamp, or stencil. You're going to do whatever you want to do to decorate your pages. Give a little bit of you to your plain scrapbook papers that you have, or whatever else you have. Day six, we're gonna put together our signature. And by that I mean, you're gonna decide, like, if it's a sewn signature, you're gonna nestle them in to be sewn in. If it's a ring journal or spiral bound, you're gonna put them in order. That's all we're doing on this day, is deciding the order of our pages. Now, if you have a ring journal, the order doesn't really matter. You can open the rings, take it out, but for everything else, it matters. Take your time and figure out how you want it. Like, do you have a birthday in the month you're going to use it? Maybe you want a special paper for that. So take your time, okay? Day seven, we are just going to add our signature to the journal. That is, we're going to sew it in, or we're going to punch holes and put in a ring, or we're going to use our cinch or whatever bookbinding we have and make it spiral. That is what we're doing on day seven. Now, starting on day eight, we get to the nitty-gritty of decorating the journal. Day eight, we're going to make at least 5 pockets, okay? Any way you want, your kind of pockets. We're going to make them. And then day 9, you're going to add those pockets to the journal. I did it this way so you can just concentrate on making the pockets on one day. And the next day, you can concentrate on figuring out where best the pockets will work for you in the journal. What pocket looks good on what page. I thought there was less pressure that way by doing one day making, one day adding. Okay. Day 10, we're going to make at least 4 tuck spots, 4 of them. 11, add the tuck spots to your journal. Day 12, make 3 belly bands. Day 13, add the belly bands to the journal. Day 14, we're going to make 6 journal cards, okay? And then day 15, we're going to add those journal cards to the journal. So we're going to put them in one of the belly bands or one of the pockets or even paper clipped on the side. You don't have to fill the pockets or tucks with journal cards or tags or anything like that. Put them where you want to put them. Day 16, we are going to make 6 tags. And day 17, we're going to add those tags to the journal. Same thing, put them in a pocket, a tuck spot, whatever. Less pressure. You're not making them and feeling like you have to immediately find a space. You can take your time finding a space. Okay? Day 18, we are going to make 2 fabric ruffles to decorate our pages. We're either going to use a sewing machine or fabric glue. I make ruffles with fabric glue all the time. It works easily. It can be done. And I will show you the way to make them with fabric glue 2 different ways. Okay? Day 19, remind me that. I may forget. Maybe I should write that down. Let's write that down because I'll probably forget. Okay, we're going to write that down. Then day 19, we're going to add the ruffles to our journal. Okay? 20, we're going to add ribbons and trims. You have your favorite pom-pom trim that you want to add or a really nice lace trim you want to add. That's what we're going to be doing on day 20. Day 21, we are going to gather some paper scraps and fabric scraps. We're just gathering some scraps, okay? I would say probably 5 to 10 fabric scraps and 5 to 10 paper scraps. That is what you need to gather. Then the next day we're going to make flips. We're going to make paper flips or fabric flips. That's what we're doing. So that's why I said you can make 2 fabric, 2 paper. That way, if you have 10, if you have 5 of each scraps, then you're making 1 of each, okay? That'll get explained more on day 21. And then day 23, we're of course going to add our flips to the journal. There you go. Day 24, we are going to make 3 or more, depends on you. You want to make a ton of envelopes and add a ton of envelopes to your journal, go for it. I say at least 3, any kind of envelope. Tiny envelopes, bigger envelopes. You can either use already made envelopes if you don't want to make envelopes, coin envelopes, window envelopes, whatever you want to make or gather. That's day 24. Day 25, we're going to add those to the journal. Day 26, we are making altered paper clips and dangles, stuff like that to decorate the pages. Tabs, anything like that to add more to our pages we are making on day 26. You know what? I'm going to make a note here to change that to also add tabs, okay? If you want to add tabs, that's the day we're going to add them here. We're going to add them on the 27th. We're going to make them on the 26th, add them to our journal on the 27th. And then, everybody, we're done with the guts of our journal. So day 28, we're going to add a closure. This could be any kind of closure. You can use sari silk, you can use regular fabric, you can use ribbon, you can use a chain closure. You can use whatever you want. Like if you're making a journal for October, like I'm doing a journal for October, this is going to be my October journal. I want it more Halloween fall themed, so maybe I'd want to use a chain for a closure. It's all what you want to do for your closure, okay? And then day 29, we're going to make a journal topper. A journal topper is a decorative piece that you literally glue on top of your journal. That's your cover. So we're going to make that on day 29. And on day 30, we're going to add that topper to the cover. We're not adding it right away on the 29th because maybe you decide you want something underneath the topper, like some tulle or another little piece of paper or something. So that's what we're going to do on the 30th. Okay, and then on October 1st, I will have a full flip through of my finished journal for you guys. Okay, also let's do a hashtag. I didn't write this down either. I will fix this and have it on my Ko-fi. It'll already be fixed by the time you see this. So we're going to do hashtag MP build a journal. 2023. Okay? Hashtag MP for Mimi's Paper Crafting, build a journal 2023. That'll be the hashtag. So we can all follow each other. I can see what you guys are doing if you decide to play along. And that will be across TikTok, Instagram, whatever. I'll be checking it out and see what you guys are doing. If you have any questions, I hope I explained my reasoning behind what I've done and this as best as I can. Like I said, there's going to be a video for each one, and then we'll talk more about what each one of these means in that video. And it'll be posted. I post everything at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So this will post September 1st, 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Ask any questions down below. Let me know if you're planning on joining me, and I hope you do. Like, I think this will be a great little... Yeah, you've been barking the whole time. Everybody's heard you. Now you're going to come in and be quiet at the end? Great. Sorry. Sammy, he just saunters in here like he wasn't just barking for the past however long. Sorry. Okay. So, comment down below if you have any questions, and let me know if you're going to join me. You be quiet. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, and I will see you guys definitely for day 1. Have a great rest of your day.